What's up, guys? In this video, we will be checking out 2 of the top online trading platforms that you could go ahead and check. And I will share the things that I feel you guys need to know the most to help you out in choosing the better online trading platform for you to use. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so in this video, we will be checking out 2 sites. We have the InvidiaTrade.com and the XTV.com website. Now, we will be comparing these ones, and when comparing InvidiaTrade and XTV, both platforms, guys, caters to active traders, but InvidiaTrade delivers a more innovative and accessible solutions, especially for the ones that are seeking a streamlined, automated, and community-driven trading experience. So XTB is a well-known brokerage that is offering a broad range of instruments. So a proprietary platform, what they call XStation. And they also have a strong regulatory standing. Now, while XTB appeals to traders who prefer traditional self-directed trading, its platform can be overwhelming for beginners, and they lack the built-in automation and social features that many modern traders now expect. So in contrast, guys, InvidiaTrade combines automation, real-time signals, copy trading, and strategy tools in one simple interface, which makes it ideal for both the novice and the intermediate traders that are looking to reduce the complexity and increase the efficiency of their trades. Now, one of InvidiaTrade's strongest advantage, guys, is its emphasis on automation and community intelligence. So users would be able to follow the top performing traders, analyze the verified results, and even automate strategies with very minimal setup. Now, this one contrasts with XTB's more traditional model, guys, where success is largely dependent on individual skill and time investment. And additionally, guys, InvidiaTrade's user-friendly design and flexible tools makes it far more approachable for traders who want to grow their portfolio without constantly monitoring the charts or manually executing their trades. So XTB may offer educational resources, but InvidiaTrade turns learning into action by enabling users to engage with live strategies and proven experts. And that is a make or break, especially for the ones that are new. And of course, you know, the ones that even the intermediate traders, guys, even the experienced traders, it always helps if you have a helpline, right? A support line per se that you could compare and check out if what you did and what they are doing are basically aligned, right? Now, ultimately, while XTB is a solid choice for hands-on traders, InvidiaTrade, guys, stands out as a forward-thinking platform that is empowering the users with smarter tools, real-time insights, and greater ease of use. And of course, guys, just like what I always tell you, make sure to follow all their social media platforms and make sure to always do your own research. The link to their website is going to be in the description of the video. Go ahead and give them a visit. Check out all the information that you will be able to gather. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into. And so you would also be able to make an informed decision on which online trading platform is best suited for what you need. If you're new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on next. I'm out. Peace.